Stop by and take a look at the 2015 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, Sirius satellite radio, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.